There piped a piper in the wood, strange music, soft and sweet, and all the little wild things came hurrying to his feet. They sat around him on the grass, enchanted, unafraid, and listened as with shining eyes sweet melodies he made. The wood grew green, and flowers sprang up. The birds began to sing. For the music, it was magic, and the piper's name was Spring. Who saw the petals drop from the rose? I, said the spider, but nobody knows. Who saw the sunset flash on a bird? I, said the fish, but nobody heard. Who saw the fog come over the sea? I, said the sea pigeon, only me. Who saw the first green light of the sun? I, said the night owl, the only one. Who saw the moss creep over the stone? I, said the grey fox, all alone.